my name is Elizabeth Ryan, and I'm going to talk about 4 points in ways in which you could devastate your case if you didn't do these 4 things. You can check out more about them on my blog. My site is www.lawecr.com. The first way in which you could possibly hurt your case would be failure to make a police report at the scene of the incident, whether it be an automobile accident or an animal bite or animal attack. If you fail to call the police and make a report, you are going to lose critical pieces of information that you do need down the road to bring a case. So that is very important with an auto accident case. It's very important that you get the other driver's name, insurance information, and a narration as to what happened, as well as any witnesses at the scene. With the animal bite cases, it's important that you determine who the owner is and whether or not the dog is up to date on their shots. So, and also down the road, it's very helpful to document all that in the event you need a police officer to come and testify at trial on your behalf. The second way in which you could hurt your case would be failure to take pictures at the scene. It's very important that in the case of an auto accident that you take pictures of your car, the damage that resulted from the incident, as well as any injury that you may have sustained. It's just important throughout the course of your healing time to document that. So every month or so, taking pictures of abrasions, or if it's a fracture, any type of swollen, if you have swelling or bruising, to document all of that. Also the same with animal bites. Usually it's a puncture wound that in some cases can become infected. So it's important to just take pictures of the scene, of the dog, anyone that was involved in the incident, and down the road, again at trial, or during the discovery phase of your case, you can submit those pictures to prove your case. Another way in which you could jeopardize your case would be failing to get the necessary medical care that you need. It's very important, and I tell all my clients this, that the most important thing is that you take care of yourself. And it's important to try to get yourself back to where you were prior to the incident physically. So the case aside, you need to make sure that you get the medical care that you need, usually by going to the ER that same day to document, your condition, how you were feeling. Some cases may last over 2 to 3 year period, and your condition changes over that time. So it's a great way to record just your overall healing process. So that it's very important for many reasons to go get the care that you need. In some cases, some of my clients don't have medical insurance, and doctors may agree to make an arrangement with the patient that they would put a lien on the lawsuit, so that way they can get the care they need without the required medical insurance. So that's another thing, another possibility, an avenue to get the care that you need. The fourth way you could jeopardize your case would be if the insurance company from the other party contacts you and wants to get a recorded statement. You can hurt your case because they sometimes ask questions and misconstrue the answers. You need to really consult with an attorney before you do that. Make sure the attorney is on the phone with you while you're giving that statement and preps you prior to the statement. So those are the 4 ways that you could really jeopardize your case if you don't take those 4 steps. Again, you can check out further detail about these points on my website at www.lawecr.com. Thank you.